Welcome, film is a Doogee X80 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up to boot the device into recovery mode. Once you see the logo with the recovery mode underneath, let go, and then you should be in the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, select wipe cache partition, and once it's selected, press power key to confirm that. Again, select yes, and as you can see, cache wipe complete at the bottom, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will take you back to Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.